You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of these scientists. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting names of famous scientists from history that make many mispronounce, So make sure to stay tuned to the channel for those. In French, Pierre et Marie Curie. Pierre et Marie Curie. In English, you could say it as Pierre and Marie Curie. Pierre and Marie Curie. From French, Pierre et Marie Curie. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.